Alright, we're doing a new lesson here today. We're going to be into transformations. Transformers, more than meets the eye. Oh, you guys do not want to see me start breakdancing. Or the robot, whatever that's called. Anyways, today we're going to be able to explain what rotation, reflection, and translations do to an object, just the basic vocab. And hey, if we're lucky, you might be able to knock out 2 lessons in one day. 2 lessons in one day. Hey, isn't that what block days are for? Alright, so let's get cracking. Alright, so first off, what is a transformation? And, well, let's fill this out in our notes. It takes points in the plane as inputs and gives them different points as outputs. So a transformation basically takes something and moves it somewhere else, okay, or flips it or whatever. It just takes it and makes it transform, like a transformer. Transformers, they're cars, and they still have the same parts and everything, even though I'm pretty sure in the movies there's some parts that all of a sudden just start forming afterwards, after they transform. But anyways, transformations, they're just supposed to take something and boom. I mean, you still see the wheels and stuff on those transformers. Alright, so the first one is a translation. Alright, translation. Let's click what this button does. Whoa. Translation. You guys seeing this? What? Blown. Mind blown. That's a translation, guys. I'm going to translate something from one spot to another. Let's reset this thing. Can I reset it? No, can I full screen it? There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Okay, now I'm feeling it. Okay. Alright. So, anywho, yeah, there it is. That's the translation. And for instance, when I translate to, let's say, Chinese, okay, I'm taking English, and I'm going to take the same words, only change them to Chinese. So translate, taking something, and just moving it over, up, down, left, or right. Okay, easy peasy. All right, now we're going to keep going here. You're going to get some mind-blownization some more. We have reflection. Oh, by the way, let's show you this. Slides a figure a distance horizontally and or distance vertically. I'm a little out of it tonight, guys. I'm not going to lie, it's almost 11 o'clock now. Next, I got a reflection. And hopefully you guys know what reflection is. I think most people are familiar with these terms. It flips a figure across a line in the direction perpendicular to the line of a reflection. Now, I'll usually like to sing some Mulan here. I will refrain, unless you're lucky, and I might just start singing, "When will my reflection show who I am inside?" There's my reflection. Let's check it out. Watch it. You guys watching? So you see a reflection. Notice this is the line of reflection. And if I move this arm, hey, I'm actually getting a reflection in my camera right there. Right? That's a reflection. Okay, the camera is a reflection. Oh, it might be backwards. So I'm actually lifting my right arm, but it actually looks like I'm lifting my left arm. But, hey, it's a reflection just the same. Okay. Alright. Pretty sweet. There's my reflection. Next one, rotation. And a rotation basically turns a figure by moving it about a point along an arc through a specified angle. Alright, so rotating something takes it and spins it around. Alright, rotating. Like I have a rotator cup. Alright, let's check out what the visual graph of this. Now, I'm going to make this full screen because you got to check out the action here. Now notice, where is that point of rotation? Now it changes. And this is something that I use all the time in video editing, and I know you're like, oh, Mr. Shiver, he doesn't like, oh, if this is his video editing, ugh. No, I use this all the time because I have to rotate objects, and sometimes I might want it to rotate around, like, let's say, this corner. So I have to set the rotation to this corner. Or maybe I want it to rotate about that corner. Usually I rotate it around the center of the object, but this time it's being rotated there, okay? And so that's the center of rotation, and I can move this out if I want to, and you know, I can check out what it does. But anyways, if I want to move it around here, center of rotation, if I do it right in the center here, I don't know if that's the center or not, but you get the point. Rotation, it'll rotate. All right, let's see. All right, close. Okay. All right, let's pick it up. You guys good with those terms though? You got them in your notes? Sweet. All right. Okay. We're going to do something really cool today. Like, I don't know if it's ever been done before. All right, next thing we have an image. All right, and an image is a figure after the transformation has happened. Okay? We usually call this subprime. And I know you're like, whoa, enough with the transformer analogies. No, that's actually what we call it. This would be A prime. Alright? And now I'm getting hungry for prime rib. A prime. Okay? And you know that's where we get the name Optimus Prime from. I'm kidding. I have no idea where we get Optimus Prime from. Maybe somebody can research that in your spare time today. But yeah, that's called A prime. And so the image is after the transformation has happened. And then the pre-image, guys, guess what pre means? It's before, right? So pre-algebra, I don't know. All the words that start with pre means before. It's your original figure, all right? And we just call that A. And then our image would be A prime. Pretty sweet. Speaking of Optimus Prime, now this is record breaking, okay? Because I am making a video, and I'm going to show you a video, okay, called the Geometric Transformation Song. So please sing along. I want everybody to memorize this song. I mean, it's pretty hot. Hot spit. Can everybody hear that? Probably can't hear it. Probably can't hear it. You know what? I will put a link. You follow this link and you won't go wrong. I want you to listen to it. Pause the video and follow the link that's on your screen, and it'll change your life and your mind. All right. Next. Objective: identify transformations including translation, rotation, reflection, and dilation. We're not going to do dilations really yet, but translation. Every point is moved the same distance in the same direction. So I'm going to play it one more time. We can see translation. Hey, it's sliding back and forth, up or down. Okay. So here is another example of a thing. And wow, look at that monkey. It's translating it over. Hey, honey, you want to say hi? She's translating from the living room over to the candy cupboard right now. So she's not rotating, she's not reflecting, she's moving, translating. Okay, next. I got reflection. Reflection on that guy. And watch this one more time. One more example about reflection. Check it out. See that? It's being reflected about the y-axis, actually. Can it be reflected on the x-axis? Sure. Sure it can. Alright, let's check out the snake. See it being reflected. Whoa! What'd she grab? Scarlett, what'd you get? Goldfish. Ooh, goldfish. Finding Dory edition. Alright, this dates this movie now. It is officially dated. And you know I'm making it 2016. 30 years from now, people are going to be watching this thing like, Finding Dory, that is so old. But yet math never changes. Okay. Alright, next one, rotation. Just one more example, quick one. I don't know how this lesson is taking so long. Rotating it. Here we go. Wow. Looks like, I don't know. Look at that. That looks like a really slow moving fan. And where's the rotation point? That's what I'm asking you. Where is it rotating on this object? The rotation point is right there. Notice how it swivels so smooth, right? Look at that, so smooth. Is it done yet? Okay. And I love this upside down octopus here. Speaking of Finding Dory, he's going to spin around, and that's rotating. And he would be rotating, I would say, around the origin, meaning right there in the center, smack dab. All right, so what we need to do is we need to do this homework here. And I think you got like 6 problems. It should be super simple. Tell whether it's a transformation, or what type of transformation we learned here today. Rotation, reflection, or translation. Okay? And have yourself a great, fabulous day. And don't forget, you got another video to watch. And I got another one to make.